Did you know they can earn drops through TikTok live streams just like you can on Twitch? It's actually a new feature that TikTok added not too long ago, and it's super easy to set up. Without further ado, let's hop right into it. So like I said, TikTok had this new update where they redesigned whole live studio and they added drops just like on Twitch. So people can watch a stream for a certain amount of hours or minutes and then earn a specific drop for a specific game. It's super sick, and it does obviously help you get more viewers and more engagement overall. So how do we actually set this up? How do we activate these drops? So first things first, you'll need to have TikTok Live Studio installed. Obviously, make sure to download that, install it. It's super easy. On the left side, you'll see scenes. Make sure to click on tools over here, expand this, and then you will see game rewards. So what game rewards are basically Twitch drops. It's the same thing. So if you click on the game rewards, you're actually going to see this current drop that is happening right now called Minecraft Anniversary. So right now, the only drop you can earn is the Minecraft Cape. There will be more drops in the future for more games, but for now, there's only Minecraft Anniversary. So what you can also do is click on this auto join game rewards. So you'll automatically join the game rewards available for your live. Basically, you can earn rewards for your own live. It's pretty sick. Make sure to enable this. There's no point for not enabling this. And you can also click on join for every single drop that you have if there are more in the future. If you click on join over here, it's going to say join game rewards will be available to viewers when you're live. So next time you go live, people can earn drops when they watch your stream. If you click on this question mark over here, you're actually going to see the whole FAQ on how these work and how it's set up. So if you want to read this, you can pause the video and read it yourself. But what's also very important is this question over here. If I join game rewards, will my live be labeled as paid partnership? And the answer is no, it will not. So it will not be considered a partnership because you are not sponsored by them or anything. You're just helping your viewers earn drops by watching your stream. And that's basically it. That's how you can enable drops for your TikTok live stream so people can earn a lot of different items when they watch your stream. If you guys did like this video, make sure to drop the like. If you don't already know, I do stream on Twitch 3 days a week. Link is down in description below. If you want to see more of my TikTok live studio guides or just TikTok guides in general, make sure to check this video right over here. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out and have a good one. Bye-bye.